Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss what are the most important operating system nowadays used for ethical hacker and cyber experts. So if you are learning ethical hacking or cyber security, apart from Windows, you need Ubuntu. Okay, so you can use Ubuntu 22, 23, 24, anyone you can use. Okay, you have to use Red Hat Enterprise Linux, because most of the servers are working on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So if you are working on a server side, so you have to learn Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Now Ubuntu is mostly used by the a small company or mid-level company, because this is a very, like, it is completely open source and it's free. It means you don't have to pay anything for Ubuntu. So it's available for free. You can go to the official website and download ubuntu.com. Okay, download from ubuntu.com. Now apart from this, Kali Linux is mostly popular in ethical hacking community and cyber experts. So if you are learning cyber security, ethical hacking, penetration testing, bug bounty, network security, or any security related training, you need this Kali Linux, because inside this operating system you will get a bunch of collection of softwares, pre-installed softwares, hacking tools inside this Kali Linux. So you don't need to install it from outer side. Okay, then you need this GNS3 and EVENG and GNS3. EVENG, it is a platform inside which you can integrate networks like routers, switches, firewall, even servers, like different operating system, and you can make communication possible. I have already uploaded video on how to install Ubuntu Linux, how to install Kali Linux, how to install GNS3 on your VirtualBox, how to install like Kali Linux and other operating system like GNS3, EVNG on your Windows machine. And if you guys want that video, I will just copy paste the description, the link of the video in the description box. You can just go there and you can get it from there. So if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel for other other cyber security lab. Like if you want to set up Metasploit is also a very popular one. Okay, MobAxelar, that is mobile application security. You also need Palo Alto. You can see this is Palo Alto. I have already uploaded how to set up Palo Alto firewall inside your VirtualBox, and you can practice on the Palo Alto firewall. Then PFSense firewall, a very popular one. I have already uploaded video on PFSense, so you can learn PFSense also. And if you want personal training, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. And if you have any doubt regarding this particular video, you can ask me through the comment section. So thank you for watching.